Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today we are going to be completing an antonym matching activity. Now you will find this on Class Dojo through worksheets. The first thing that you can do is pop your name up the top. An antonym or antonyms is words that are opposite. So for example, the words night and day are completely opposite. Or you could have on or off, or tall or short. So as you can see, there are a list of words in front of you. What you need to do is draw a line to match the antonym. On the left side, there is a column of words. You need to match it to the words that are on the right side. So if we look at the word hot, we can go through and look at the words on the right side and find the word that is completely opposite. If you find that word, what you need to do is draw a line to match the words together. So as you can see, I have hot and it matches with the word cold because they are complete opposite words. It's now your turn to complete the whole activity. Firstly, look at the words to your left and find the words to the right that match. The words have to be complete opposites and have different meanings.